Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In this quick video, I will show you how to download the official ISO for Windows 11 variant 25H2. There are a couple of safe and easy methods you can use, including a direct download and media creation tool. I will walk you through each step. Now let's go with method 1, direct ISO download. The first way to grab the Windows 11 25H2 ISO is through Microsoft official download page. Open the Windows 11 download site, scroll down until you see the section for Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Next, choose your preferred language, for example English, then click Confirm again. A 24-hour valid link will be generated. Just click on it to begin downloading the Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. Depending upon your internet speed, the download might take a while, so be patient. The second option is with the media creation tool and also available on the same page. Scroll down to create a Windows 11 installation media section, click download now and save the file. Once downloaded, run the tool. Accept the license term and check that the language and edition are correct. If not, uncheck the recommended option and select the right one manually. On the screen, choose ISO file and click Next. Pick a location on your PC, give the file a clear name like Windows 11 25H2 ISO and hit Save. The tool will now download and build the ISO image for you. When it's done, you will see the saved file location. From there, you can use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable USB drive if you plan to install or upgrade your system. And that's it. That's how you can officially download the Windows 11 variant 25H2 ISO file, either directly or using the media creation tool. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, leave the comment, and share it with others and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.